Yo, what's going on, guys? It's iHow here, and guys, we're going to be showing you how to get the system report showing hardware and software information in Mac. So let's get started. So first, you want to go to your Apple logo on the menu bar, like this here. And there's called About This Mac. So click on that. And now you can check your model name, your processors, and stuff like that. So now click on System Report here. And there is a lot of things like Wi-Fi here, like blah blah blah. So now, how to save the file? Well, what you're gonna do on the menu bar again, here is a little file here. So click on that, and you can see all things. So now click on save here. You can also use the you can also use the shortcut Command S, but you wanna name it. So I'm not gonna name it. So now you're gonna go to where? To desktop. You wanna go to desktop, your folder, or anywhere. So once you're done messing around with this, you're gonna click on save, and it's gonna load. So once it loads properly, and then I'm gonna call you guys. So it's done now. Now you want to close these here, your this and this, and boom, it's in your file or something, or in your desktop or your flash drive or anything. So yeah, that's it. That's it for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Always stay for my videos. Like and comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ring the bell to all notifications. So bye.